to all of you with continuous function. I have told you what is continuous function, and I have given you also three conditions should be satisfied while doing the problem for continuous function. So three conditions are, now we shall do some problems, very important problems on continuous function. A question will come in the last part, part E, for 4 marks I said. It will be either jumbled up with linear programming problem or it will be with integration property. So 4 mark question is definite, and 2 mark question also I told you sometimes they may ask in part A or part B, part C. So now this is part, what we are going to do is part E question where 4 marks, for 4 marks the question is asked. So continuous function, we know whenever it is, when it is said to be continuous, f of x at x equal to c is said to be continuous f of x at x equal to c is said to be continuous if three conditions are there. One is f of x at x equal to c defined is defined athava exist, both are same meaning, defined athava exists anta heltivi. Okay, second condition is limit extending to c of fx exists athava defined. Yavaga this can exist, I told you the condition is when you say it can exist is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit ಆದರೆ this exists, that is limit extending to c minus of f of x should be equal to limit extending to c plus of f of x. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ then it is limit exists. This is second condition. Third condition is this limit value should be equal to this, that is third condition is limit extending to c of f of x should be equal to f of x, the value should be at x equal to c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ and this value, this limit value should be same. When all the three conditions are satisfied, then we say that f of x is continuous at x equal to c. Very important, all the three conditions should satisfy. They will ask you examine the continuity of the function ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Continuity of the function check ಮಾಡಿ, find the point of continuity ಅಂತ they will ask you. Okay, so very important, or point of discontinuity. If it is not continuous we call it as discontinuous and we call it as point of discontinuity. Okay, continuity, discontinuity. So these are all called, and then x is equal to c is called point of continuity when all the three things are satisfied. I think in the previous class we have solved one problem. Now you take the problems. Okay, examine the continuity, how the problem looks. Examine the continuity of the function fx equal to of the function f of x is equal to, see here, x plus 2 comma if x less than 1, 1 minute. Now x plus 2 if x less than 1, 0 if x equal to 1, and x minus 2 if, this is whole bracket like this, x minus 2 if x greater than 1. Please take down. Examine the continuity of the function fx equal to x plus 2 if x less than 1, 0 if x equal to 1, and x minus 2 if x greater than 1. Here what is the point of continuity? Can anybody tell me? The point of continuity is 1 because less than 1, greater than 1. Less than 1 andre always left hand limit we should take. Greater than 1 andre it is right hand limit, plus ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು minus ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. There it is c minus c plus, c is 1 actually here. And at x equal to 1 and at x equal to c it is 0. Now all the three conditions let us see whether all the three conditions satisfies. We have to check the continuity at x equal to, now the point of continuity we should check. Now you take first whether at f of x at x equal to c is defined. We should write that now continuity to be examined at what point? To be examined at x equal to 1, because the point of continuity we have to check is continuity to be examined at x equal to 1. Now first condition, f of x at x equal to 1 it is defined. See, f of x at x equal to 1 is 0. They are given. F of x at x equal to 1 is given, it is 0. So f of x at x equal to 1 exists, and that is f of 1 is 0. At x equal to 1, x means 1, f of 1 is equal to 0. They are given in the problem. So first condition satisfied, that is f of x at x equal to c ಬಂದೆ 1 is exists, and that is defined. F of exists andru ಒಂದೇ, another meaning is defined andru ಒಂದೇ. Both are same. We should know x equal to 1 andru ಒಂದೇ, and x equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, exists andru ಒಂದೇ, defined andru ಒಂದೇ. Now go to the second condition. Second condition, ಇದು exists ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Limit extending to c f of x exists. For this, the condition is left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit. That is c minus, that is x tending to 1 minus of this function should be equal to 1 plus of this function. This is right hand limit, there is a left hand limit. So second condition we will see only when LHL is equal to RHL limit exists, then it is this particular limit exists. We have to check. Now we will take left hand limit. Left hand limit is limit extending to 1 minus of fx. Extending to 1 minus andre always less than is always 1 minus, greater than 1 is 1 plus. We should take 1 minus 1 plus. Limit extending to 1 minus of f of x is limit extending to 1 minus of f of x andre idu tagobeku. You should not consider this. 1 minus is we should take x plus 2, we should take ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus and minus 1 ಹಾಕಬಾರದು, only 1, but the function what you should consider is this. Now it is 1 plus 2, it is 3. Understood? It is first extending to 1 minus, there is c minus of f of x. This should be taken, this should not be taken, because less than 1 is always 1 minus. You should take that. Now you take RH, right hand limit. Right hand limit is limit extending to 1 plus. Limit extending to 1 plus of f of x, that is nothing but limit extending to 1 plus yav tagotira, what you will consider greater than 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Right hand limit is always greater than 1. x minus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 minus 2 minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, you can understand. Left hand limit is 3, right hand limit is minus 1. When left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, limit extending to 1 of f of x does not exist. That's all. When ಎರಡು exist ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So now you can say that limit won't exist. What you should write is it is seen that LHL is not equal to RHL. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore, limit extending to c andre 1 of f of x does not exist. Does not define, it is not defined or does not exist. Therefore, second condition failed. Second condition failed, and the given function fx is not continuous ಅಥವಾ discontinuous. Is not continuous. Examine the continuity ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is how we have to examine. ಇದ್ರೆ suppose ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ we should write that it exists, and third condition ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ then it is limit sorry, it is a continuous function. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ condition failed because you understood LHL is not equal to RHL. Second condition failed. Given function f is not continuous at x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. You should say that it's a point of, sometimes they ask you to find out point of discontinuity in there. However, you should write x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. I will explain again. Very important aspect. For 4 marks this question is given. Examine the continuity of the function f of x equal to x plus 2 if x less than 1, 0 if x equal to 1. Here, first you should take f of x at x equal to 1, that is defined, it is 0. Next you should take left hand limit tagolli. Left hand limit andre less than 1, right hand limit andre greater. Here point to be discussed is at x equal to 1 tagolli. Now LHL limit extend, second condition left hand limit right hand limit same irbeku. 1 minus of fx ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 1 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ I told you less than ಇದ್ರೆ left hand limit. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬಂತು. RHL ತಗೋತೀರಿ fx 1 plus ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 plus ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x minus 2, then this becomes minus 1. Here you can see it is seen that LHL is not equal to RHL. R from 1 and 2 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ it is seen that ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. LHL is not equal to RHL, therefore limit extending to 1 f of x does not exist. Second condition failed. Given function is not continuous. ಎರಡನೇ condition fail ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. At x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. ಅಥವಾ it is discontinuous at x equal to not continuous, non-continuous, discontinuous. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು at x equal. This is what you have to examine the continuity. We will go to the next problem. I hope all of you followed. You have copied also. Take the next problem. Continuity is very important, and next year also it is required for your engineering class or higher class. Take down. Examine the continuity of the function. Examine the continuity. Examine the continuity of the function fx is equal to, examine the continuity of the function fx is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than 2, 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to, also take, please take f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x greater than, please take down the problem correctly. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. Then we have to examine the continuity of this function. Here what is the point to be discussed? What is the point at which you have to find the continuity? X equal to 2. So here you write continuity to be examined. First you write continuity to be examined. They don't give you at this point because it is understood. Continuity to be examined at x equal to 2. The point of continuity to be discussed is at x equal to 2. First condition of x at x equal to 2 defined on ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Definitely defined is equal to ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು. ಈಗ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. at x equal to 2 define, x equal to 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, it is 7. 2 into 2 4 plus 3, it is 7. So we need not calculate 0, but here it is x equal to 2 less than or equal to 2 ಇದೆ. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7. So f of 2 exists. f of x equal to 2 defined and the value is 7. Second condition is left hand limit to right hand limit to same ಅನ್ನೋದು. Left hand limit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x tending to 2 minus of this calculation ಮಾಡಿ, x tending to 2 plus of this right hand limit ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2 and ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Whether if they are same then limit exists. Same ಅಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ you can say that LHL is not equal to RHL. Second condition failed and the given function is not continuous function. That's very easy. So now what shall we do is take the second condition LHL and left hand limit, that is limit extending to 2 minus of f of x. Limit extending to 2 minus of f of x, that is limit extending to 2 minus ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ less than ಇರೋದು 2 minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is 2x plus 3 or ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 2 ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು plus 3 it is 7. LH ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ equation number 1 ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. You can call it as equation number 1, left hand limit. Now coming to right hand limit, RHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. RHL is limit extending to 2 plus of f of x. Limit extending to 2 plus of f of x. ಆಗ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, because greater than 2 is always 2 plus. ಒಂದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, less than ಅಂದರೆ 2 minus, greater than ಅಂದರೆ plus. You should take right hand limit is always plus, left hand limit is always minus. Limit extending to I suppose all of you are following, 2 plus of 2x minus 3, x ಇದೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 1, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 7. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, limit extending to 2 of f of x does not exist. Second condition failed and the given function is not continuous at x equal to 2. Finish. That's all. Very simple, 4 marks, very easily you will get. But all these steps to be mentioned. Now what you should say, it is seen that, because 1 and 2 are from 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. It is seen that LHL is not equal to RHL. Because LHL ಬಂದು 7, RHL ಬಂದು 1. Okay, then you say that therefore limit extending to 2 of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಿ 2 of f of x does not exist and second condition failed. Therefore given function fx is discontinuous, is not continuous ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, non continuous ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, no problem. Discontinuous at x equal to 2. And what is the point of discontinuity? And x equal to 2 is the point of discontinuity. We call it as point of discontinuity. I suppose all of you have understood. Want me, I will explain again. This is the problem. First at x equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. Yes, at x equal to 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ equal to ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 2x plus 3, x equal to 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, this is 7. Then you go for second condition, left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit is extending to 2 minus of ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Left hand limit ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ less than ಇದ್ರೆ minus ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Substitute, find out. Here 2 plus ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. We should take this. You got 1. This is not equal to this. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, limit extending to f of x does not exist. Second condition failed and given function is discontinuous ಅಥವಾ not continuous at x equal to, which is the point of discontinuity there. ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. It is x equal to 2 is the point of discontinuity, you should write, and this is called examining the continuity of the function. Nodi 4 marks, they would have kept 4 marks for this question. Don't leave this question and come. Now I hope you have copied, you have taken all these things, steps. Now we will go to the next problem. Examine the continuity of the function. Fx is equal to x plus 1 if x greater than 1. Not मतलब greater ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Sometimes ಮೊದಲು less than ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ greater than 1 also ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. And x square plus 1 ಬೇಕಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ greater than ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. This is plus extending to 1 plus ಅಂತ. x square plus 1 if x less than, see here it hingu kodbodu hingu kodbodu idu kottidare because to confuse you, that's all. There is nothing wrong. X greater than or equal to, please note down, x greater than or equal to, either less than or equal to kottirtare illa greater than or equal to kottirtare. Now it is examine the continuity of the function f of x, x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1, x square plus 1 if x less than 1. Now what is the point of continuity to be checked? You write that f of x, the continuity, the function fx to be the or you write the continuity of f of x, the continuity of f of x to be checked at x equal to 1. To be checked, because point of continuity they are asking is to be checked at x equal to 1. Understood? Because at x equal to 1 is there. So we have to check the continuity of fx to be checked at x equal to 1. First condition tagoli, f of x at x equal to 1 is it defined? Is defined. Because at x equal to 1 is x plus 1. So f of x is defined equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ x plus 1, you should write that it is x plus 1. f of x is x plus 1 because equals. Now find out f of 1. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 1 it is 2. That is. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. Let us see whether this is continuous. f of x at x equal to 1 we should take x plus 1 and f of 1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 plus 1 2. Now go for left hand limit and right hand limit. LHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. LHL is limit extending to 1 minus of f of x, that is here limit extending to 1 minus of f of x. f of x ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋ. You should not take this. You should take less than 1 is always 1 minus. You should take x square plus 1. x ಇದೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ 1 minus ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. We will not put only 1. 1 square plus 1 it is 2. Okay, this you can, if you want you can call it as 1. Now you take right hand limit. I am writing here right hand limit is limit extending to 1 plus of fx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Limit extending to 1 plus of f of x, that is limit extending to 1 plus ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ f of x ಗೆ greater than 1 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, x plus 1. Now it is x equal to 1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 plus 1 2. See here, this is little different from other problems because both LHL is equal to RHL. RHL also we got in the previous two problems. We did not get LHL equal to RHL. We used to say that limit does not exist at that particular point. Second condition failed, but here it is not so. This is equal to this. You write that it is seen from 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Otherwise it is seen that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to 2. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to 2. What is the conclusion? Therefore, limit extending to plus 2 ಇಲ್ಲ minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, sorry 1 not 2, 1 of f of x exists and it is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. LHL is equal to RHL ಆದರೆ limit extending to 1 of f of x exists and it is equal to 2. So ಈಗ second condition actually passed. Second condition failed ಅಲ್ಲ, second condition is true because second condition says that this should be, this exists. It is exists because LHL is equal to RHL. This exists too. Now go for third condition. Third condition, E value should be equal to f of x at equal to this at x equal to 1. Yes, both are true. Here that is also true. This is also true. ನಮಗೆ previous problem ನಲ್ಲಿ third condition ಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ because second condition fail ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Now here you say that third condition limit extending to 1 of f of x is equal to f of x at x equal to 1 is equal to 2. See, f of x at x equal to 1 and 2, limit to 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, third condition verified, third condition satisfied. Therefore, since all conditions satisfied, since all three conditions satisfied, you should write, since all three conditions satisfied, given fx is continuous at x equal to 1. Understand here? It is continuous at because all the three conditions satisfied. X equal to 1, continuous at x equal to 1, and x equal to 1 is the point of continuity. We should say, not discontinuity. It is the point of continuity. X equal to 1 is the point of continuity. Please take down the steps. Here we should find out f of x at x equal to 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is defined, it is 2. LHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. LHL left hand limit ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ 1 minus ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 plus ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL. X equal to 1, extending to 1 of f of x exists. Now check, this is equal to first one. First condition no. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. Limit extending to 1 of f of x is equal to f of x at x equal to 1 equal to 2. Third condition also satisfied. Since all the three conditions are satisfied, given function is continuous at x equal to 1, and x equal to 1 is the point of continuity. Very, very important question. Take the next problem. You take this. Check the continuity of the function fx equal to, check the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, then x square plus 1 if x greater than 2. If x greater than, take the problem correctly, examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to 2, x square plus 1 if x is greater than 2. Yes, this is what is the thing we have to check? We have to check the continuity at x equal to 2. X equal to 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು whether it is continuous ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Now continuity you should write continuity to be checked for the given function at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ we have to check the continuity of the continuity of the function x. Now first one, whether f of x at x equal to 2 exists ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ x equal to 2 ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ f of 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಂಡು then you write f of x at x equal to 2 exists and it is fine. Okay, now we take first condition f of x at x equal to 2 defined, correct? At x equal to 2 is defined, or f of x is equal to x cube minus 3. It is defined, f of x at x equal to 2 is defined, and that is nothing but x equal to 2 is x cube minus 3. Now f of 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Because at x equal to 2 we have to check this function. You should not take ಇಲ್ಲಿ greater than or equal to ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. You should take this. Now 2 cube, x ರ ಕಡೆಗೆ 2 cube ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 3, or it is 8 minus 3, it is 5. Keep that as it is. Now we shall go for condition number 2. LHL ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, RHL ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Whether they are same ಆದರೆ then limit exists ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದ್ರೆ you say confidently it is continuous and the point of continuity is x equal to 2. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, now you take the second condition LHL. Take the left hand limit, write down limit extending to, left hand limit is limit extending to 2 minus of f of x. Now it is limit extending to 2 minus of f of x. ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ less than 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Less than 2 is always minus left hand limit, and greater than something is always plus RHL. ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ x cube minus 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you should not substitute minus 2, 2 cube minus 3, it is already we have calculated, it is 5. This is your LHS. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ if you want you can call it as equation number 1. Now come for right hand limit. Right hand limit ಅಲ್ಲಿ limit extending to 2 plus of f of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Limit extending to 2 plus of f of x, that is limit extending to 2 plus of f of x ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ greater than 2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 2 plus ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ right hand limit, this one you should take x square plus 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Here it is 2 square plus 1, that is nothing but 5. See here, this is also 5, this is also 5. That means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. You can see it is seen that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to 5. So it is seen that, observe, R from 1 end to the very, it is seen that LHL is equal to RHL, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to 5. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Limit extending to 2 of f of x exists and it is equal to 5. Limit extending to 2 of f of x exists and that is equal to 5. Third condition is very simple. This value should be equal to first condition f of x at x equal to 2. Same. Therefore, it is continuous function. All the three conditions are satisfied. Now it is second condition satisfied. Second condition satisfied. Go to the third condition. Third condition is, I told you, limit extending to 2 of f of x is equal to f of x at x equal to 2. F of x at x equal to 2 is equal to 5. See, both are same. Therefore, third condition satisfied. Third condition satisfied. Third condition satisfied. Since all the three conditions are satisfied, since all three conditions satisfied, since all the three conditions satisfied, limit extend, the given function f of x is continuous. You should write is continuous at x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 is a point of continuity. You should write x equal to 2 is a point of continuity. X equal to 2 is a point of continuity. Please copy down. Here you should take f of x at x equal to 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. L is equal to ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೋ ಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ f of 2 ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then take limit extending to 2 minus left hand limit ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 minus ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ less than ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಂಡು substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then you take the right hand limit. Right hand limit is greater than 2. That is 2 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should take this greater than 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ 5. Fortunately, LHL is equal to RHL. When LHL is equal to RHL, limit, it is seen that limit extending to 2 of no plus or minus here, f of x exists and it is equal to 5. And fortunately, this value is equal to the first value, whatever. So limit extending to 2, 5 or f of x equal to f of x at x equal to 2 is both are 5. Therefore, third condition satisfied. Since all the three conditions satisfied, the given function is continuous function at x equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 is a point of continuity. A very important problem for examination. Okay, definitely one question will be asked for continuity of function, to examine the continuity of the function at that particular yes, this thing. Now we will take another problem because I want to solve all the problems and keep ready, and one of them will come in the examination actually, and it carries 4 marks. Examine the continuity of the function. Examine the continuity of the function for fx equal to, take this problem, discuss the continuity ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ discuss the continuity ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, examine the continuity ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, function f of x is equal to x to the power of 10 minus 1 if x less than or equal to 1. See here, f of x is equal to x to the power of 10 minus 1 if x less than 1 and x square if x greater than 1. So what is the point of continuity to be checked here? The point of continuity to be checked at this is at x equal to 1. These are one day. Only you can understand. The point of continuity to be checked is at x equal to 1. The point of continuity to be checked is at x equal to be checked is at x equal to 1. First you take whether the first condition is f of x at x equal to 1 define. It is x to the power of 10 minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ equal to. First condition you take f of x at x equal to 1 define. What is that function? F of x is equal to x to the power of 10 minus 1 or f of 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 to the power of 10 minus 1. I hope it is 0, correct? Don't write any other answer, you will get 0 because 1 to the power of 10, any number to the power of 1 to the power of any number is 1 only. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Now we shall go for left hand limit and right hand limit. Now take the second condition. LHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, left hand limit is limit extending to 1 minus of fx. Yes, what will take? What is the function you will take? 1 minus and then you should take this. So limit extending to 1 minus of f of x, x to the power of 10 minus 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಗೆ 1 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 to the power of 10, 1 minus 1 is, this is your left hand limit, understood? LHL you can take 1 minus ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ always less than left hand limit ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should take that left hand limit 1 minus of f of x, then it is 1 to the power of 10 minus 1, it is 0. Now you take a right hand limit. Now we should take RHL, right hand limit. You take RHL, limit extending to 1 plus of f of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is limit extending to 1 plus of limit extending to 1 plus of ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, 1 plus b greater than 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, right hand limit x square it is, x ಗೆ 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, it is 1. See here, this is 1, this is 0. You can easily make out that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. When LHL is not equal to RHL, that means the limit extending to 1 of f of x does not exist. Second condition failed. Need not go to the third condition because limit exists ಆಗದೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So let us, second condition failed. Therefore the given function f of x at x equal to 1 is not continuous. What is the point of discontinuity? X equal to 1 is the point of discontinuity. You can say that it is ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ then you go for third condition. It is seen that LHL is not equal to RHL, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore limit extending to 1 of f of x does not exist, ಅಥವಾ not defined, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇನೇ meaning, does not exist. Second condition failed. Third condition ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore given function f of x is not continuous at x equal to 1, and x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. You can say that is a point of, sometimes I will ask you find out discontinuity ಅಥವಾ find the point of discontinuity ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಆಗು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. This x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. I hope all of you have followed this problem also. We will take one more problem. So I got this. Understood why it is discontinuous? Because limit exist agala. That is why it is the reason it is discontinuous function. We just take up next problem. Continuity. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to, write down, 3 if x, if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 0 x less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4 if 1 less than x less than 3. One, please take down the problem correctly. F of x is equal to 3 if 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 less than or equal to and if x 4 if 1 less than x less than 3, then 5 if okay x if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Very important problem for examination. Examine the continuity of the function fx is equal to, write down, 3 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 4 if 1 less than x less than 3, 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Copy the problem 1 minute. Very important problem for examination. Here ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Now you tell me, first find out which are the 2 points you have to check. 0 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 is a point of discontinuity. Because point of discontinuity ಅಂತನೂ we cannot say, because we cannot 0 ಗೆ less than x ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see if 2 is less than 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ we should note that 3 is greater than 2. When you put this number, this also will change. This is inequality they were going to teach. I think you must have already learnt it also. A less than b andre b greater than a anta. So here x greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but x less than 0 ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So 0 is ruled out. You cannot take it. Here 1 we should check, because less than ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 less than x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x greater than 1 ಅಂತ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, x greater than 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಇವೆರಡು defined, and equal to 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is also defined. So this at x equal to 1 you have to check the continuity. Understood? X equal to 0 you cannot, because x greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Then what is it? Next one 3. ನೋಡಿ x less than 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 less than or equal to x ಅಂದರೆ x greater than or equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. This is meaning is x greater than or equal to 3, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ x less than 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, greater than 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So 3 and 10 we can, 0 and 10 we cannot check. We have to check the continuity only at x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? All of you followed? What are the points we have to check the continuity? x equal to 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because greater than 1 less than 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 ಗೆ 10 ಗೆ we cannot check, because x greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, x greater than 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So here we should write point of continuity to be checked is, point of continuity to be checked is, see ಇದು very important. ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 0 10 not necessary. You need not take. Point of continuity to be checked at 2 points. You should check at x equal to 1 ಒಂದು and at x equal to 3, because less than greater than 1. 1 is less than x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x greater than 1. 3 here it is. this you cannot check, this you cannot check, because x greater than 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ x less than x greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, less than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So we cannot calculate 0 and 10, we have to check. ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ first one at x equal to 1 ನೋಡಿ. First one you say, first condition f of x at x equal to 1 is defined, because x equal to 1 is less than or equal to ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, what is that? It is 3. At x equal to 1 defined and f of 1 is 3. You understood here? F of 1 is 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Less than or equal to ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we should take this at x equal to 1 defined f of 1 is 3. Now you take second condition, you write left hand limit, right hand limit ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. LH for about x equal to 1 ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. LHM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Left hand limit is limit extending to 1 minus of f of x, that is, what is that? Extending to 1 minus of f of x is nothing but, this is nothing but extending to 1 minus less than 1 is 3 ಇದೆ. This is 3. You cannot apply limit to the constant, it is 3. Understood? 1 minus of f of x ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Now ಈ 1 plus f of x ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇದು. 1 less than x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x greater than 1. Now RHL is limit extending to 1 plus of f of x. That is nothing but limit extending to 1 plus of f of x ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 less than x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x greater than 1, it is 4. This is 4, this is 3. You can say that LHL is not equal to RHL. You can clearly say that it is seen here from this. LHL is not, it is seen that, what you can write, it is seen that LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, limit extending to 1 of f of x does not exist. Therefore, second condition failed, and therefore f of x at x equal to 1 is not continuous. So everything is not continuous, very important. So x equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity, because limit won't exist. LHL is equal to RHL ilve illa, that is why this is 3, that is 4. Now you check continuity at x equal to 3. 10 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ question, at x equal to 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now your first condition, f of x at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3 exists, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3 is less than or equal to x, and x greater than or equal to 3, it exists. X equal to 3 exists, and it is f of 3 is, what you can say, 5. This is exists, and f of 3 is equal to 5. Now go for second condition. LHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, left hand limit ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, limit extending to 3 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, less than 3, 3 minus ತಗೋಬೇಕು. f of x is limit extending to 3 minus of f of x ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4, that is 4. Then take RHL, right? I suppose all of you are fond of following 3 minus ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, less than 3. RHL is limit extending to 3 plus of f of x, that is limit extending to 3 plus f of x ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 3 less than x ಅಂದರೆ x greater than 3. 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. See here, you can see LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is 4, RHL 5. You can say that LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, limit extending to 3 of f of x does not exist. Therefore, second condition failed. And given function f of x is not continuous at x equal to 3. Write that given function is not continuous at x equal to 3. So there are 2 points of discontinuity. X equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity, x equal to 3. So what final answer we should write? X equal to 1 and x equal to 3 are points of discontinuity. Are points of discontinuity. We should write points of discontinuity. Understood? Now I will explain again. There is an important problem. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ 1 and 3. At x equal to 1, let us take at x equal to 1 it is defined, it is 3. LHL ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tending to 1 minus fx ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 3, x tending to 1 plus of f of x ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is x greater than 1, ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 4, 3, 4, LHL is not equal to RHL, therefore it is not exist, that does not exist, second condition failed, is not continuous. Similarly we check for 10, not for 10, sorry 3, 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, f of x at x equal to 3 is defined, it is 5. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂರನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್. ನಾವು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ at x equal to 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3ಗೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 4, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಇದು 5, 4 is not equal to 5, does not LHL is not equal to RHL, does not exist, second condition failed and is not continuous at x equal to 3. So you can straight away say that from this and that, here it is from 1 and 2, both the things you can say, sorry, here you can say that both the points are discontinuous because x equal to 1 is not continuous, x equal to 3 is also not continuous. You say that x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 points of discontinuity and fx is discontinuous at both the values, x equal to 1, x equal to 3. I think that's enough for today, and we shall take the class tomorrow. We shall continue. Nale